Python, such as map, reduce, filter, zip, enumerate, all and any, and even how to deal with complex numbers. At the end of this section, we'll have a final assessment test where you can test your understanding for built-in functions. Next, we'll learn about decorators in Python, a 3-part series ending with a homework assignment. Afterwards, we'll learn about Python generators, including iteration versus generation discussions, how to create generators, and a homework assignment, again, to test your knowledge about Python generators. After that, we'll put together everything you've learned in a final capstone project. But that's not all. There's advanced bonus content, including an entire section about advanced Python modules and advanced Python objects and data structures, so you can level up your knowledge. There's new content regularly added to this section, with dozens of lectures. You'll also get access to community forums and a dedicated help from me, your instructor. So, that's the entire course curriculum overview, so let's go ahead and get started with the course. Thank you, and I'll see you at the next lecture.